In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Sidebar in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control which tools appear in a sub-account's left-hand menu so your team or clients see only what they need. This walkthrough assumes you have agency-level access, since Sidebar changes are managed from the agency view and applied on a per sub-account basis. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and landing on the main dashboard. Look to the top left and click your company name. This opens a menu with different views of your account. Choose Switch to Agency View. If you don't see this option, make sure you're logged in with an agency role that has the right permissions. Once you're in the agency view, find and open sub-accounts. This is where all the locations or client workspaces live. Identify the sub-account whose sidebar you want to customize and click into it. If you manage many accounts, use Search to locate it quickly and double-check the account name to avoid editing the wrong one. Inside the sub-account settings area, open Features and Limits. This section controls what's available to users within that location, including which items appear in the sidebar. You'll see a list of modules and features you can enable or disable. To remove something from the sidebar, turn it off here. For example, if you don't want the Launchpad showing for that sub-account, locate Launchpad and toggle it off. A quick tip: if multiple items look similar, hover over the labels or expand sections to confirm you're adjusting the right feature. Also, consider the roles of the people using this sub-account. Turning off a feature hides it for everyone in that location, so confirm it won't block anyone's essential workflow. After making your selections, scroll down and click Save. Give it a moment to process. To confirm the change, open the sub-account in a new tab or refresh any open windows for that location. The sidebar should update immediately. If not, clear your cache or log out and back in. If you need to restore something you hid, simply return to Features and Limits, re-enable the item, and save again. That's all there is to it. Switch to the agency view, choose the sub-account, open Features and Limits, toggle the sidebar items you want to show or hide, and save. Keeping the sidebar focused helps users find what they need faster and reduces onboarding friction. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other sub-accounts you manage.